What is up, people? It is your boy here, Triple Storm, and I don't know what things set me there, and I do a next video, so to make you guys know, say, yo man, still there live and direct, I'm your beat video. Yeah, whole week, you know what I mean, like most of the week, like for what left of the week, you know, video, straight back, comedy, straight back till Sunday, so you think said. Yeah, miss a whole heap of week, sorry about that people, apologize again, you know, videos, link, points up, cards, end of the video, yeah, so you know what I mean, come back again and yeah, just try to get this thing up and running again, try to make them know some man they are still a running joke them, still a crack laughs and still a make you laugh, you know what I mean, still a entertain, you know. If you guys never check it out, Grand Market night video me make, that video they kinda gone like 900 and something views, hopefully reach 1,000 views by February. For all the people who watch it, thanks for the support, really appreciate it. And yeah, just want to make a next big shout out to all of the people who have their phone number in my phone and then upon WhatsApp every day and they still me online and still not text them and when you see me on road and still hail me like me on a bridge, in respect for that. And for the people who me normally keep up to date with and me not really keep up to date with them and them still see me and now can't molest me because them know me still me a businessman and me not really use my phone for social media more than so. I mostly use my phone for like educate myself and all them something. So yeah, respect to them people. But yeah, you know me draw this shit long and you know me getting at the video. So yeah, back in the video now. So basically today's video, what me gonna talk about? What me I talk about today? Just take a guess. Friend, yeah, cause you don't see me I talk about it from the beginning, so you don't know say yeah, so you don't know say a friend the thing they friends are like kinda the basic backbone of to what build your personality, aside from movies and like the things around you, we kind of influence all that, but your friends them have a lot to do with your personality and how you behave, how you act, your influences, all of them things there. And me personally couldn't reach where me reach without my friends them. Shout outs to Bada, you're a real youth. Give your shout out, them shout out to Dunga, you're really youth, give your shout out. But yeah, you know, pre-mens, tell them, a lot of people just don't really have some of the good friends them. I mean, like, you know them kind of friend the way you see them and you shout them and you do a thing like, you know. Yo, James! Yo, dog, go on. Yeah, dog, you can't forward over here. Yeah, man, you can't forward, man. Yeah, you're there on James, you're good. Yeah, you're there for me, Linky. I'm not on food, you see what I say, I'm not on food, so if I, yeah, me just make you know still, you know, just out to make you know still. So why you tell me that for? I ask that, no, not that, me just, you know, I'm just make you know still, but, you know, yeah, I'm not on food. So well, you think a little free food thing man come for? James, suck yourself to and go here, man, that me I tell you. Yeah, but like, I mean, like, you have some friends that really just come around for like the benefits some of them can get from you still, and you know, as much friends as me have, me keep my friend circle like small, like this small, right? But yeah, you know, what if friends all over, you know, full of friends and thing, you see me? But you know, have to link with all your friends and every day to kind of prove say you're a friend. And if you have a friend without fall out for you because you know link with them every day, just do like what me would I do, which is basically like bitch, me, are you there? Like seriously, like me and you, like we do dugu, right? Yeah, like with dugu, we like sleep together, we cuddle, we like Netflix and chill, like yeah, that's kind of shit relationship with me and you have. Like no nigga, we don't do that, right? Therefore, if me spurs to disappear for a little while and come back, you spurs to no say a busy man busy, you're not so purster. Get vexed and tell me say yo me and he's not friend, me a bridging, me a friend for life. If you try to tell me that, me thump back the bridging now, yo. Thump it. But yeah, I mean, we have some cool friends still. You have the kind of friends them like film friend them where like you know you see them for years and you shout them, and when you shout them back then just like yeah man, yeah good youth. Yeah alright though. Yeah man, long time I didn't hear from you. Yeah, but I'm glad say you're good, man. I'm not telling no lie, I'm glad say you're good. Yeah, man. So when I see you again, next 15 years. Yeah, man, that good, man. We can just run some smash. So I say, probably play some Malta and if anything, we play some Call of Duty, whichever one come out then time, you know? Yeah, Black Ops 4, yeah. Alright, we link. Then kind of bridging there, kind of bridging them where you need to cut out them negative people who just kind of want their own if what you have and just want their own if bottom feed and sitting and don't pray the word, right? Don't pray it. But anyway, people, just, let me know what kind of friends them what you have still, and like, if you enjoy the video, please click like button, and, if you don't enjoy the video, tell me we can improve. I mean, good criticism is great. I mean, I want to get better. I mean, YouTube is like a marriage, it's for better or for worse, but I want to get for better. So y'all just let me know so I can know that I want to get for better. See me? So, like the video, share the video, make people know. Triple S Storm, there, boom. Bam, out. Little move.